Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find a phone number in Microsoft Teams. If you need a dial-in number to join a meeting by phone, we will walk you through it step by step so you can find it quickly. Now, let's get started. Say you have a meeting and you want to find the phone number for it. You just need to click the name of the meeting. Here, we have a person listed. We will click to select this one. Then, we will click here. A window will open showing the details of the person we are calling. Next, we click Contacts. Here, we can see the contact's information. Some details are private, so you may not always see the phone number. People can choose to keep their phone numbers private, while others leave them visible. If you want to check, just click Contacts. Some numbers will show up and some will not. It depends on that person's profile settings. You can also view the profile of people in your chat. Go to your chat. If you have talked with someone before, like this person, just select their name. Click the name again and then go to Contact. Here, we can see the email address. Sometimes the phone number will also appear here. All contact numbers will be listed under Contacts, but it depends on whether the person has chosen to share it or keep it hidden. And that's it. Now we know how to find a phone number in Microsoft Teams, whether through a meeting or a chat. This makes it easy to connect even when you cannot join through the app.